Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Warm the Canem X3 briefly to thin the oil, then park level and engage the parking brake. Once done, remove the hood and unplug the battery ground for safety. Make sure you have a drain pan and the correct tools, 14 mm and 17 mm sockets, and a replacement oil filter and 1 quart of approved oil. Begin by locating the oil drain plug under the engine and position the pan. You're ready to loosen the drain. Don't strip the plug. Once the drain plug is loose, let the oil flow until it drips slowly. Inspect the plug magnet for metal shavings as a wear indicator. Next, carefully unthread the old oil filter. Hold the pan ready. Compare the old O-ring to the new one and lightly coat the new gasket with fresh oil to ensure a seal. Make sure the filter seat is clean, then thread the new filter on by hand, snug it, and add about a quarter turn. Don't over-tight. You reinstall the drain plug and torque it to spec, then refill with the recommended oil to the fill mark. Don't overfill. Once done, reconnect the battery, start the engine for 30 to 60 seconds, and watch for leaks around the drain and filter. Turn off the engine, wait a minute, and recheck the oil level, topping to the correct mark if needed. If you encounter low oil pressure or persistent leaks, shut down and recheck the filter seating and plug torque before riding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.